Are you ready to unlock the secret formula that can turn your digital marketing efforts into a powerful engine of growth? Stick with me for the next 5 minutes and I'll share 5 key elements with you that you need to start a thriving online business from scratch, even if you're scared and you don't know where to start. My name is Nicolien Bardner and welcome to my YouTube channel, telling you more about digital marketing and how you as a mother can find your purpose again. Even though you're scared, even though you don't know where to begin, digital marketing is there for you and can help you get unstuck from whichever situation you are in. Today, I am going to break down the 5 C's in digital marketing that can help you build your business and get your self-worth and your purpose back. So firstly, we are going to start with consistency, then commitment, content, community, and conversions. So stick with me while I discuss each of these elements with you. First up is consistency. So consistency is the backbone of digital marketing. When you show up every day for your business constantly, your ideal customer will see that you are showing up, that you are there, and they will get to know, like, and trust you. So by being there, by being visible, you are showing your brand to your perfect customer and you are showcasing yourself and what you can do. So show up consistently every single day for your business to help your digital marketing business grow and to help your perfect customer find you. The second one is commitment. Digital marketing requires commitment because you are not going to get overnight success. It's going to take work. So you have to stay committed to do the work and to show up for your business. Without commitment, you can leave digital marketing alone because you have to know that you are going to get there eventually when you put in all the work, when you learn all the skills. So stay committed to digital marketing and to your very own business. Then, my friend, you will reach success. The third C is content. So content is the engine that drives your digital marketing business. Now, in the Digital Growth Legacy Builders programs, we teach you how to find your perfect customer. So you make your content around your perfect customer and they come to you. It's called attraction marketing. So they get attracted to you, they get into your automated system and everything goes from there. So content is very, very, very vital for your digital marketing business. And you also have to stay consistent with that and show up every single day. So all the C's fit in with each other. So when you master all the C's, you will master digital marketing. But these were only the first 3. So let's see what's next. For me, number 4 is one of the best C's that there is: community. So most of us are scared of starting digital marketing because we are scared of the unknown. We are scared of something that we have to do alone and we don't know what it's all about. Now with the Digital Growth Legacy Builders, guys, you get a community of over 38,000 people at your back and call, can I almost say. They are there helping you every step of the way. Guys, it's so amazing having that amazing community showing up and stepping up for each other because we learn how to do attraction marketing and we know that our perfect customers are not the same. We are not scared of each other. We encourage each other every single day. We lift each other up when needed and we support each other and shout for each other as hard as we can because we know that we can win together. We can reach our goals and dreams together. And not all of us have the same goals and dreams. So it's so exciting to see what everyone's goals and dreams are. So community for me is one of the most important C's that there is. All of them are very, very important, but community is way up there for me. So ultimately, all of this leads you to number 5, conversions. So if you master all 4 of those C's, you will then make your audience your customers, and that will lead to conversions. So that really is what digital marketing is all about. That's what the 5 C's are all about. Guys, you want to stay consistent. You want to make sure that your content is out there so that your perfect customer can see it. You want to have a community that's at your back and that helps you every single day, where you can learn and grow every single day. Guys, this is what digital marketing is all about, and this is so exciting, right? So let's build this business together. Let me help you. Let me show you how digital marketing can change your life. So for more actionable tips on digital marketing, subscribe to my channel and you will learn so much more about digital marketing. If you are ready to make a bigger impact and start building your business from the ground up, follow the link in my bio, enter your email address, and I will be sure to send you the invite to our free webinar that we are hosting very, very soon. So make sure that you are inside of my email list so that you can get that awesome invitation to our free webinar where you can learn so much more about digital marketing. Thank you so much for watching. Remember the 5 C's of digital marketing, and then I'll see you guys again on my next video.